Let's discuss on the ISTITLE string function. The ISTITLE string function returns a true if the string is a title case string. By title cased, we mean that all the first letter of the words in the string will be in capital letter and the rest of the letters will be in small. The ISTITLE string function will return a false if any of the characters in the string is in capital case and if it is not the first letter of the word or any word starting with a lowercase alphabet. So let's take an example having fun with Python. Here you will notice I have kept all the words starting with capital letter in this string, and if we apply ISTITLE on this string we will get a true. Next, if we use the same string having fun with Python, and if you have noticed that I have intentionally kept the first alphabet of the with as lowercase and apply the ISTITLE string function on this string and execute it, I will get a false because the alphabet W is in small case, which does not match the criteria of the ISTITLE string function. Next, if we take another cell and use the same string having fun with Python, here if you have noticed that I have kept all the starting letter of the words as capital letter, but I have kept all the alphabets of the word Python as caps. Let's apply the ISTITLE function on this string, and if we execute it, you will see it will return a false as all the alphabet in the word Python is in capital letter, which also does not satisfy the criteria of the ISTITLE function. Next, if we have a string having fun at Python where all the words are starting with the capital cased letter and also there is a symbol at the rate, and if we apply the ISTITLE function on this string, it will return a true as the symbol do not have any effect on the ISTITLE string function. Next, if we use the same string having fun with Python 3 where I have just put a number in this string and having all the words starting with uppercase letter following with lowercase letter and apply the ISTITLE function, you will notice it will return a true as again the number do not have any effect on the ISTITLE function. Hope these examples has explained you the utility of the ISTITLE function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.